I've collected my top 10 favorite portable MagSafe and Qi2 chargers. Let me show them to you. So these chargers are all split between MagSafe and Qi2. I've got some of each. Qi2 is actually based on Apple's magnetic charging system, so they're effectively the same in many ways. If you want to learn more about the differences, I did a whole other video up on the channel where I break down all their differences and how they work. But what's important to know is these will all deliver up to 15 watts of power to your iPhone. Before we get going, make sure you subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss my latest video. We're going to kick things off with the 12 South Butterfly. So here it is. I've been carrying this around with me quite a bit, and as you can see, the aluminum on the outside is getting a little roughed up, but I still think this one looks fantastic. It's also ultra portable, just very tiny overall. So there's a tiny little strap that connects the two sides of the Butterfly. This opens up, there's a little notch there, you pull it apart, and there you go, the two parts of the Butterfly. The left-hand side, this soft faux leather, again, the same as the strap in between. Your iPhone can be placed there. On the right-hand side, you'll find your one for your Apple Watch, fast-charging Apple Watch puck. It can be raised, so you can set your Apple Watch on there, has a little nightstand mode. Then in the back, you have a USB-C port. This does come with a USB-C cable as well as a little bag, but I kind of wish the whole package had a little bit more of a presentation to it. The only downside of this that I have is when your iPhone is placed here, you can't use standby mode. It's just flat on the table. I really do enjoy using standby mode, as many of the other ones in this video support. But overall, super compact, lightweight, just an amazing charger that I know a lot of people love. This is definitely the bulkiest of the bunch, but it also might be the most capable. So this one is from Alogic. This is their Matrix 3-in-1 charging system. So it comes in this felt bag. Very nice to take with you if you have the space for it, but again, a little bulky. But check out this charger. So there is room in here for like your power cable and your power supply, that's all good. But look at this. So this is the charger itself, which, yeah, it's definitely bigger than most of the others, but it has a few tricks. So first, this is your MagSafe puck right there on top, actual Apple certified MagSafe. This opens up so you can use it vertically. You can put your phone on there and use standby mode. There is a Qi charger on the back that you can use for your AirPods. And then there is a slide up Apple Watch puck, fast charging. This puck is removable, so you can just pull this out, a little awkward on camera, pull that out and take this with you if you need to bring it. But best of all, right here in front, this is actually a MagSafe battery pack, one of the only MagSafe battery packs available. So full Apple certification, take it with you, magnetically connects, you got your power button here on the top to turn it on and off, and because it's always sitting in this cradle here, this dock, it's always charged. So you keep it in here, you use this on your nightstand, and then if you're on the plane, you need to go around the city or something when you're traveling, pop this out, take it with you, always charged, ready to go, get back, put it here into your desktop charger, nightstand charger. I love this super cool Matrix 3-in-1 system from Alogic. If you like this video, let me know which one you want to see next. Maybe a sequel to the portable chargers, or maybe a best MagSafe battery pack video, or maybe best MagSafe car chargers. Let me know down below in the comments. Next, we have Peak Design's new mobile desktop charger. This is definitely one of the more simple designs that we see, and a little bit bigger, but I just love the premium quality of it, so I wanted to mention it. This thing just launched. It's an updated version of their original design, but with Qi2 15-watt charging. Silicone pad here at the top, and an all-metal body, simple Peak Design logo in the lower corner. On the bottom, we do have little feet. The whole thing opens up very nicely, super strong hinge there. You can really adjust that angle as much as you need to, so of course it's going to work with standby mode. Your cable just gets routed out of the back of the charger here and wherever you need it to go. Super simple design. They include the USB-C cable in the box, but you're going to have to provide your own power brick, which I don't mind. I usually take a multi-charger with me of some sort, so it's kind of what I'm looking for, but very thin, easy to slip in your bag. It is only a single charging device, but if that's what you're looking for, you don't need to worry about your watch or anything. This is definitely something to consider. If we can put this video in park for just a second, I've got to show you the new 70mm A510 dash cam, my sponsor for this video. The A510 is an affordable, feature-packed camera that will help protect you and your vehicle while parked and on the road. It's super easy to install, both the front-facing and rear-facing cameras in just a few moments. Plus, it pairs instantly over Bluetooth. Video is captured at 1944p resolution thanks to the onboard Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor that looks amazing in both day and night. Easily enough to read passing license plates or signs. I was really impressed with the low-light 70mm night owl vision while traveling down these country roads. The driver assistance feature gives you real-time alert for potential impact and lane departure for added safety.
Lane departure.
And its internal GPS keeps track of your route. If an incident should occur, it can provide necessary data, including precise coordinates, speed, and time. My favorite feature, though, is Smart Parking Guardian mode. It records a time-lapse while parked to monitor your vehicle while away. And if someone hits you, its G sensor will trigger automatic video capture to see what happened. These days, I don't risk it. I don't drive without having a dash cam installed. The 70mm A510 has its bases covered with copious smart features, front and rear facing cameras, high resolution video, night vision, parking guard, and 4G connectivity. Keep yourself protected by picking one up today. I put the link down below in the description. Go check it out. Anker was one of the very first to support Qi2 when it came to market. This is their 3-in-1 portable charger, and I think they've done an excellent job here. So on top you have your Qi2 charging pad there. It folds open like that. You can adjust the angle. You're going to get support for standby if you put your phone horizontally. All wonderful. On the sides where you have your USB-C port. Now originally I was like, oh, that's going to shoot the cable off to the side and be awkward. But no, they actually included a right angle USB-C cord. So it just plops in and then goes out the back like that. So you still have some nice cable management even though it's coming out of the side. For a portable charger, I don't mind this. Might be a little annoying if on my desk perpetually, but for a foldable, portable, this is good. The last thing to mention is Apple Watch. It does fold out of the bottom just like that, so you can bring it up. So you have your iPhone there right on front and your Apple Watch here in the back. Simple design. I find this angle a little shallow with my single piece band. It does hit the table when it's on there, but I haven't had problems actually charging it. I feel like that should go up a little bit more. They don't want to get in the way of this Qi pad right here though, where you can charge your AirPods. So your AirPods, your Apple Watch, and your iPhone, 3-in-1 Qi2 charger from Anker. This is a fairly recent one to the market, and it's from Satechi. So this folds up. It looks like kind of like your traditional tree charger, but it folds up nice and small, so you can slip it into a bag. It folds right there, and then the puck at the top. So you can adjust the angle of that MagSafe puck wherever you need it to be. You can also adjust this if you really wanted to. It's easily still enough to hold your iPhone on there. There is a little pad here at the bottom, nice and soft. I like the feel of everything. It is metal compared to some other ones that are just plastic. USB-C there. I just really like the feel of this, and it's so nice that it folds down. There is one with an Apple Watch puck that just hides on the back here and also folds open. So very similar design, just Apple Watch integration. The 2-in-1 is a little cheaper. I'd prefer just the 2-in-1 with Apple Watch and MagSafe, not the AirPods little puck, but either way, this one's fairly new to market from Satechi. I like it. I like the design of it. Full support for standby and everything. Feels very premium quality. Give it a buy. We're about halfway through here. If you do like these MagSafe chargers and you want to see more of them, check out my other dedicated video that I've linked here, where I walk through my favorite 3-in-1 MagSafe chargers, perfect for your home or office. I couldn't do a roundup of chargers without including one from Mophie. Mophie is just known for some of the best chargers out there. They have such cool designs, and this one is no different. So this is their portable 3-in-1. Look how tiny this gets for a 3-in-1. Super soft touch. I love this material on the outside, and it magnetically closes. So just completely rolls up, slip it into your bag, just attach it to your power brick, you're good to go. I love when they have like that removable cable, because then you can use any power brick you want. You can use a massive one that is like 200 watts out, power your laptop and other devices, but these are great. So it just unrolls. You can see we have one spot for AirPods, one spot for your iPhone, and one spot for your Apple Watch, which also does pivot up so you can keep your watch in nightstand mode. Again, the downside we saw with the butterfly, which is when you're using your iPhone on here, it won't support standby mode because it is laying flat on the table or nightstand. It does take a little more space than other ones too, but When all rolled up, it's such a lovely design that I just can't help but like it. I know a lot of people really like this charger just for this compact nature, portability. That's why this one had to be on the list. Plus, it was one of the very first third-party MagSafe products to be released. Next up is this one from Zens. You can see it's still very compact. The whole charger is just barely bigger than the MagSafe circle itself, just that little bit of a rounded square. Of course, it powers up over USB-C like many on the list. What makes it extra special is this around the back. It actually has a hidden Apple Watch charger. So this pops open just like that, and then you can prop it up to watch your phone horizontally in standby mode while charging your Apple Watch along the back. I think this is overall a great design. This is the original one that has the slower Apple Watch puck. There is a new one out that supports fast charging though, which obviously is a whole lot better. This one here is from ESR. I've covered ESR a lot on this channel, and this is their portable Qi2 charger. So it's a travel charger, and it comes in this little carrying case, which is very nice, though maybe a little on the bulky side, but you don't always have to take it. You can just take the components that you need. We can go ahead and remove it out here. We have the first part, and we have the little Apple Watch adapter as well. So they also include the power brick and the USB-C cable that you can keep in here. But just focusing on the product itself, I love the look of this thing. It's super duper thin, kind of like the size of a MagSafe wallet, but this is your whole charger. So this part is all faux leather. This opens up so you can use it flat if you would like, or prop it up and adjust your angle and put your phone here. Along the back, you have that spot where you can add your Apple Watch puck. This is really nice because you can take this out and take this with you. Plug it into your Mac or a wall charger for a backup Apple Watch charger. It is a fast charging module as well, but it plops right here onto this for a nice three-piece setup. You have your AirPods, your Apple Watch fast charge, and your iPhone right here in the front. Super duper slim, modular, use what you need, all powered up over USB-C. This one's from ESR. Aukey Omnia Blitz. So this is very small, looks like Apple's kind of space gray material. It is plastic, but it still has a very nice look to it. You can see we have the Qi2 puck here right on the front with that little lightning logo. If we flip it over, you'll see all the other cool little pieces. So first up, the base has a silicone foot. This folds down into position. And then your one up here, that's for your Apple Watch. You don't need to do anything if you don't need to use the Apple Watch, but when you're ready, it can just swivel right out, boom, just to the side. So you have your iPhone and your Apple Watch right here on a portable charger. And best of all, it's a 3-in-1, so there is a spot on the back for your AirPods. So AirPods, iPhone, and your Apple Watch all at the same time. Adjustable angle for your phone, powers up over USB-C, and you can hide the Apple Watch if you don't need it. I'm going to end this with what may be the most controversial of all. If you have made it this far, let me know if you're for or against Apple's own, now discontinued, MagSafe Duo. Okay, I don't care what you guys say in the comments because MagSafe Duo is the absolute GOAT of portable MagSafe chargers. I mean, look how absolutely tiny this thing is. I mean, it's thinner than my thumb. Thinner than a finger. Like, it's so itty bitty. I've never found one that is more compact than this. On top of that, it's such a strong, like, nice magnet. It's got such good feel to it. You have your MagSafe spot on one side, and the other side is your Apple Watch, which does pop up, so you can use it in nightstand mode. The problem with this, the reason it's kind of hard to still recommend and use, is because it uses lightning, which is why it seems Apple discontinued it. It also still has the original slower charging Apple Watch puck. It was never updated with fast charging. But still, I can't stop using it because there's nothing else this small and thin. I mean, Apple doesn't even sell the modules to third parties for the Apple Watch this thin, so they can never make one as good as this, frankly. It's just going to be impossible. Plus, I don't always need the AirPods one because my AirPods can charge on Apple Watch or MagSafe charger. So I've got my bases covered as long as I don't need to charge 3 all the exact same time. This is exactly what I need when charging, and I really wish we'd get even closer with a third-party one, but until then, I'm still hanging on to MagSafe Duo, even though it's discontinued. That's it. Let me know your favorite of the lot down below in the comments. If you'd like to pick any of these up, there are links in the description, and be sure you're subscribed to the channel with notifications turned on so you can keep up to date with the latest iPhone news and accessories.